Want to delete your Elementor account? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process so you can handle it smoothly without any confusion. But before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Remember, you cannot just go and delete your Elementor account overnight. You have to raise a ticket explaining that you are having some issues and that's why you want to quit. So start by opening your browser and heading over to elementor.com. That's the official Elementor website. Log in using your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page, also known as the websites page. Here, you'll see a list of all your designed websites. At the top right, click on the support button. Now scroll down and click on the Submit a Ticket button. This will open a new tab where you'll go through a few simple steps. First, select the area where you're facing an issue. For example, I chose Accounts, Billing, and Subscriptions, but your case might be different. Then click on the Next button. On the next page, provide more detailed information about your issue. You'll find drop-down menus to help you narrow it down, and below that, there will be a text field where you can explain the issue in your own words. Once done, click Next again. Now you'll see a detail of your request. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Submit button. That's it, your support ticket has been raised. Once submitted, Elementor's official support team will review your ticket and delete your account based on the issue you reported. Meanwhile, the sites you saw on the website page of my Elementor account were built using Elementor only. It's the platform I personally prefer, so feel free to check it out via the affiliate link below. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. See you in the next one.